Facing their fears, what awaits Jamaican deportees? Prime Minister Andrew Holness spoke. Hello, my people. I am Skywalker. Welcome back to my channel. I saw Andrew Holness meeting with deportees recently and saw his encouraging speech about what their job prospects look like and his stern warning against criminal behavior. I wish to emphasize that he was quite accurate on both counts. There are jobs in the market, and especially for people with certain skills. If you are a real work minded person, you will not have a problem readjusting and doing fine. Unfortunately, the point about the improved and uncompromising police force is also true. The game of crime is not as feasible as before. And the part where you don't always get to face a judge is also true. I believe this is because the government has no choice, and you know how you will get when you are forced to be desperate. Crime was wreaking havoc on the plans of the government, so the government is kind of pissed off now. Many of you might be worried about returning to Jamaica after spending years abroad. You may fear that the country is still in the same poor condition you left it in, with little hope for a better future. The uncertainty and fear of facing ICE might be weighing heavily on your mind. For some, the dilemma of whether to return voluntarily or risk being deported by ICE is a tough decision, especially if you feel there's no hope for you in Jamaica. Well, have no fear. Jamaica is under the shower government and you will be all right. I want to assure you that Jamaica has changed significantly over the past decade or two. The country has made remarkable progress, and many communities have transformed into vibrant towns with modern amenities. The standard of living has improved, and job opportunities are abundant. You will almost be certain to find a job within the first week of arrival. Moreover, Jamaica is actively seeking workers with special skills, particularly in industries such as technology, healthcare, education, engineering, and skilled trades like electricians and plumbers. Those with expertise in these areas will find excellent opportunities and can strike the best deals. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has emphasized that the government is ready to support returning citizens who are willing to contribute positively to the country's growth. However, it's important to note that Jamaica's stance on crime and violence is resolute. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is now better equipped and more uncompromising towards criminal activities. Holness warned that deportees with criminal intentions would either meet a judge or their maker if they seek to wreak havoc in Jamaica. In my honest opinion, there's a lot of that going around to prove that these are not idle words. I think they mean it because we are seeing that pattern playing out over and over. Returning Jamaicans can expect a supportive environment with job opportunities and resources to help them reintegrate. There is free healthcare, the facilities are improving, we are beginning to bring in state of the art equipment in some areas, and so on. Moreover, there is free vocational training support with stipends, etc. So you can be supported all the way. You can start and finish a hard training program with $0, and you don't have to worry. Not even for fear or other helpful stipends to see you through. So If you are a certain distance from where the heart establishment is, you will receive fear. You will receive a stipend for fear, I think. And for other little stuff so that you can manage during the course. Under certain conditions too. At the end of some programs, you may be afforded a loan to start your own business. Like suppose you are doing auto mechanic, some kind of auto mechanic program, then you can get a loan after you finish training to start your own little mechanic business. Just call the institution and find out how it goes though. Because I mean, I think I'm giving you the right information, but then you have to call them to know. However, those with criminal intentions will face a much tougher and more vigilant law enforcement landscape, and unlike what they left behind years ago. Trust me. This is your country, and it is much better now than how you left it. So don't fear to come home. It's your home. We must embrace this new era of progress and unity. We are working to build. So come and join the labor force. Help us to build. Jamaica is ready to offer opportunities, support, and a brighter future for all its citizens. Let's work together to continue building a better Jamaica for ourselves and future generations. Come home where you are welcome. Peace out.